So first we will talk little about M, then we will talk about N, J, and then already K, Y we have studied. We will focus on R, we will focus on U and V, X and Z. So actually M indicates memory. It is related with the brain. Last time also we have studied M, but in little different way. So today we are going to study it in big detail. So we have many different types of writing pattern of M. I have given many different patterns of writing M also here. Remember, M is having total 3 parts. Left vertical line, right vertical line, you can check the cursor, and central part which resemble with the V. This central part is very important. So M indicates about the memory, brain related issues, and your learning process. How do you learn something? How do you study something? It tells about the process of learning. Okay, so handwritten, in the handwritten one, few mistakes are there, and these are intentional mistakes. Okay, because we have to study few important facts. What can be the effect of the different type of M, because of which we are supposed to make mistakes. So wait. So number one, if you have first type of M, so first kind of M is a kind of regular M or most suggested M. Okay, but it is most suggested, but not best M. Nothing is best in case of M, but we have to look for the best one. So if you have balanced M, both sides have equal height, V is made properly in the center part, and this depth of this V is not too low. Okay, so if you are having this very deep V inside the M, it is a negative sign. Okay, like small letter M, sample is given with a 1. Okay, it resemble with the small letter M, as well as many people write it as the capital M. So when you will write capital M in the management, your any M may be resembling here. So now if you have type 1 of M, remember type 1 of M, those people having this balanced M have sharp mind. They are very sharp in grasping and learning, and they are supposed to be fast learner. Now don't think if your child is making the type 1M, the child will be always fast learner. So we have to check Y and T also and A. Okay, but because M is directly related with memory and the brain related issues, so meaning M will have more impact. So these people have ability to take fast decisions without any data. Okay, these people have this such kind of sharp brain that without any written data or previous data, they can take very fast decision, and generally their decisions are very good. Okay, so this is very good thing that if you are having first kind of M. Now second type of M, it is known as a printed M. Printed M is also known as a kind of balanced M. What is the meaning of kind of balanced M? Meaning you are having both sides equal, and deep is not so deep that it is giving to you negative point. Okay, so they are sharp in grasping, fast. But what is the problem? Those people, I will not disclose the name. In last few days, I had few experiences with many people. Those people who used to write typed like the structure. It may be any alphabet, like second type of M. It is known as the printed M. So these kind of people get irritated fast. Very soon they will get irritated. The reason is very simple. These kind of people having second type of M, they like extreme level of perfection in everything, and this desire of perfection create irritation in their life. Who has ever written type 3M? In this type of M, you can see 3 notes. 2 notes are in upper side, 1 note is in the lower side. Please, okay, which one is better? Okay, out of these 4 samples, first one is good. So no one is having third kind of M. If you have these kind of notes in M, These are very clever people, but determinate and focused person. Okay, clever, determinate, focused plus, but these are turtle-like people, very slow people. They will start their work and they will go smoothly without any such intention, without thinking that okay, something should go very fast. They don't bother about the time limit. This is the problem with all these people, that they never think about the time limit. This is very important. So now we are talking about fourth kind of M. Please check. Who is having fourth kind of M, capital M? Please check your writing previously written material, not just now. That is the different sentence. Have you ever observed fourth kind of M? No one. Am I audible? Okay. So no one has seen this fourth kind of M. You know, fourth kind of M is known as the maniac M. So bad liking, mental issues, there can be stroke due to unethical, bad company of the friends. They like negative jokes, double meaning jokes. Okay, so generally they have negative company, or simply you can say they like to be with the criminal minded people, or you can say they generally like to stay with anti-social people. So this kind of M, check it. Fourth kind of M is generally found in antisocial personality disorder. So if you observe this kind of M in the handwriting of any student, any client, anyone, so try to give therapy so that your client get practice to remove this hook in the fourth kind of M. Okay, so remember, if you find this kind of M, that right side of V is longer, you can check, yes, right line of V is longer. In that case, decision is taken by using 50% logical. So meaning, if you have to decide something, if you are supposed to take any decision, you will use up to 50% logic, and 50% your decision will be illogical. So remember, M should be always balanced. So if you are taking 50% decision by proper thinking and 50% decision illogical, so obviously you have equal chances to make mistakes. Now try to find out how many of you have any one type of small letter M which I have written here. Please check it. So check it. If you are using any one out of these two small letter M, these kind of people are very intelligent. They generally take any decision after getting all details properly. First, they will check all pros and cons. They will check all positive and negative points. Only then they will take decision. So this kind of M is supposed to be good if you are using in small letter writing. So you have written 10 times only one sentence. Thank you, Sunita. Thank you, Sunita. So you have used, you have written 10 sentences. So you can check, because many times when we are writing in a flow, we can make minor changes. So we have to work on that. Now, surprisingly, in different, you know, two different M's are here. So you can check. Actually, those people who used to use this kind of M, they make mistake in their writing. Just to show this, I made a mistake here so that you can learn. So whenever you are using, whenever you are, Anima, don't worry, you will get a recording also. So if you are using any one M out of these two, so remember, you are more prone to mistakes in your spellings. Whenever you are going to write anything, there will be maximum time mistakes. Can anyone tell me what is the difference in these two different M? Upper loop is there and hook is present in both cases. Either you can check upper M is disconnected, you can check lower M is also disconnected in the center. You can check lower M is also disconnected in the center, and first one is also disconnected in the center. This is non disconnected M. Yes, Maya. This is not, yeah, V is not balanced. V is having hook and disconnected. So disconnected M is always a negative point, and those people have a problem in learning vocabulary or in learning different languages. So if anyone is using this kind of M, work on that. Practice, make your client to practice to write connected M and to remove this hook or curvature or loop in the upper side. Yes, yes, you are right, Meena Sharma. So actually this kind of trait is found in criminal people. So remember this also. Now, how many of you write this kind of M? Please check it. Now, so these are the people who inquire too much. Meaning, if they are at inquiry office, they will ask so many questions that the person who is giving information may get irritated. They are meaning बाल के खल निकालने वाले लोग होते हैं ये. Now check this kind of M. First side of M is having upper curvature loop, and second side is balanced. So is there anyone who is using this kind of M? So if you are using this kind of M, first side is having upper curvature, looks like incomplete A, second side is balanced, then there are more information collection and less stress on decision making. These are the people who used to inquire a lot of, but no decision making. Unnecessarily, you can say they trouble other people. Is there anyone who is using this kind? Okay, Aarti, understand. So can anyone tell me if you are using this kind of M? So during collection of information, they have a different opinion. Meaning you will say, okay, the office is in the east. So they can ask, which east? Where is the east? Your east, my east. So they used to make unnecessary collection of information, or they used to make loop in the information. And they are highly diplomatic people. What is the meaning of diplomatic? They might not be agreed with your opinion, but they will answer in such a way that you will not be able to understand whether someone is agreed with you or not. They are highly diplomatic. They express their feelings in diplomatic way. They are very clever, and they are actually favor-seeking people. You can say a kind of selfish people. Try to find out if anyone is using this kind of M, incomplete heart M, or this kind of M. Is there anyone using this kind of M, please? So if someone is using this kind of M, both sides have a smooth curvature. Remember, if you are using both sides, so yeah, sometimes okay, smooth curvature, always in search of new informations, always helpful for others. Okay, Ronak. Okay, sometimes Kushi, sometimes okay. So meaning these people always look for new information. They use the information, and they are supposed to be good helper in the team. Is there anyone who is using this last type of M? Anyone who is using this last type of M, which is under my cursor? Check this last one, handwritten. This is the last one, handwritten. Okay. If someone is using this kind of M, they don't have knowledge, but they behave like they know everything. Empty vessels sound much. These are the peoples. Yes, yeah. Generally, many kids use this kind of M only when they are not okay. This is only when they don't have any knowledge, but still they behave like they have a good knowledge. It happens only then. Now, next, you have written a small letter M and N. In the 10 sentences, many times you have used, in the 10 sentence, you have written one sentence 10 times. Our management people are very poor. So find out which M and N is matching here in your handwriting. Oh, few relatives have this kind of handwriting. Yeah, generally it is simple thing. Many people are supposed to sound very high, but actually empty vessel sound much. They don't have knowledge. So, okay, please tell me in the chat box which number of M is matching with your writing. Okay, now we are talking one by one. If you are listen here, M and N both denotes learning pattern and memory of a person. Okay, M and N both have same trait. So if you are willing to make sure that whether the trait of learning is correct or not, try to check M as well as N. So now you can check it. Yes, P. Vedavel got it, Padma got it, Mayusha got it. I'm very happy you all are giving answers, meaning you have not just log in and you are not here and there. You are studying actually. Now check it. So if you are studying M, listen, we have two humps. One is present in the left hand side, another one is present in the right hand side. One more thing, in the M, a minor hook should not be considered as hook, because in generally M we have a natural hook. But if the size of hook is extraordinary, only then you will consider it as a hook. So make it notice, in case of M and N, left side top side hook is not considered. I repeat again, in case of M and N, left side upper hook is not considered as a negative hook. Now check type 1 of M. These are cumulative thinker, cumulative learner, meaning they learn, they practice, they learn, they practice. Similarly, all things cannot, what is the problem with these people? They cannot grasp anything in one instance. They need stepwise step study. They need stepwise learning. Only then they can learn the things. Many a times you can find out this trait among students. Many students are not able to focus for 1 or 2 hours lecture, and they are not able to learn directly. So they generally have this kind of cumulative learning. Yes, Sukanya, wait, I will. What I'm saying, you can check in the left upper side of M, there is a hook. In the left upper side of N, there is a hook. In case of M and N, upper left hook is not considered as a negative point because it should be there due to the structure of M and N. This was my point. So, okay, Sangeeta also agree, Archana also agreed with this. So remember, you can find out if you are teacher, if you are counselor and you are working with students or kids, you can find out this trait. Okay. So they learn very slow and practical and stepwise. Now, they inquire additional help for study. This is also very important. In the class also, you can find out many students, after completion of the question, they will inquire again few small things. Okay. Yes. If you are using cursive M, so you can consider this trait. For example, a student will need tuition, parents help to complete homework. This kind of nature type 1. But they have excellent memory. If you will hurt them, if you will make them happy, even once, even after years, they will remember the things. This is very important. Once they have understood the things, then always they will remember that point. But problem is that they need time to learn something. Now, type 2 of M. It is a kind of little cursive M. Thank you, Sangeeta. It is a little type of cursive. Check. Their grasping is very fast. And you know, motor neuron coordination of type 2M is very good. Generally, if you are in doubt that child is slow or having some other issues like the other autism, etc., in that case, if child is able to read and write, try to focus on this M, because generally this M is for healthy people, not for unhealthy people. Okay. Their grasping is very fast. They have very sharp mind, very fast learner. They are too fast learner. You can find out in the class as soon as you will complete the sentence. 2-3 students might be there. They will say, okay, done, sir. Done, ma'am. But many other students will say, ma'am, please wait. Because these 2-3 people are extraordinary. They are very fast learner. So how many of you have noticed this kind of students in the class? Okay, Kokil Kansara, got it. So many times in the class, you will find hardly 1-2, okay, Dinah. So 1 or 2 students you can find out. that they are very fast learner and they disturb their class because of this. Yes, Khushi, yes, I agree. Rashmita, yes, Anita. So you have to work on that now. There, for example, student will understand first stroke, or first stroke means in one instance where the teacher explained itself. Good investigative ability. They can be forensic science, they can be officers, they can be good managers, scientist and doctor. Oh, Apurva, I was like that who did quickly most of time. Oh, Hazira, got it. They forget after some time, so they have to recall. Okay, do you agree with this? You need to recall many times because quick learner and quick forgetting. This is the problem. They need to, yeah, okay, Hazira said kind of. So they need more revision. Actually, you can say they are good learner, but need more revision. So, okay, yes, Hazira, yes, Khushi. So how many of you are, you have faced this situation that you are good learner as well as you need more revision, otherwise you will forget. Okay, now focus on type. Okay, many of you. Okay, so work on that now. Type 3, focus on, okay, sometimes. Sangeeta, okay. Kusum, okay. So check it here, please. Type 3 of N. How many of you have checked? Please focus here, type 3M. Have you checked type 3M? What happens with those people having type 3M? You can check in type 3, first side, left side having upper height. And you can say left side is perfect, right side is shorter. Do you agree? Okay, sir, I have this quality, but I write type 1M. Meaning many times you might be having fluctuation in writing. So check your 10 sentences. So check in case of third type of M. Left side is perfect, right side is very small. Okay, so because right hump is smaller, in this case, right hump, if right hump is balanced, they are balanced people, smaller the size of right side, more will be diplomatic behavior. Okay, Rajni, good. Remember, smaller the side of right, greater will be the possibility of diplomatic nature. So have you ever seen such kind of student, friend, teacher or client or any relative who used to write this kind of M type 3 and they are very diplomatic? Diplomatic, udhar bhi chugli karenge, idhar bhi chugli karenge. They will do this kind of the act. They are very diplomatic. They want to please everyone just for their own benefit. Yes, okay, Nima. So this is a very negative M, or this is very negative N. In case of N, you can check it is similar to the right hand side part of this M. Yeah, these are attention seeker and benefit seeker actually. They are benefit seeker. They will be your friend till then they have their work. As soon as their work will be over, they will reject you. Okay, they can diffuse situation in case of argument. They have this tendency. Now find out type 4 of M. You can check in type 4, right side is okay and left is smaller. Okay. Some people have missed the spelling writing small and capital letter together in a sentence. Yes. What I said, I gave you one example of capital N or small letter N. Generally, those people make mistakes in spelling. That's why I have written minor mistake in that spelling just to focus on that point. Yes, agreed, Dinah. So what I'm saying here, remember, right side of M is related with the diplomatic behavior. Left side of M is related with self-cautious. So you can check how many of you are using type 4 M or N. Please check in your writing. You have written 10 sentences, whether you are using this kind of the M or N or not. Please check it. If you are using, so you are highly self-cautious, but you have fear of stage. Meaning if you are supposed to address a gathering and you are supposed to stand on the podium, then you will feel nervous. How many of you feel many times this? Yeah, I will scroll down, Apurva. Okay. So if you are using M or N, so this will be the trait. Now check type 5. In case of type 5, it is considered hook. Please compare all the structures of type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4 and type 5. You can guess, you can make it very clear. In type 5N, upper hook is present. It is proper hook. Otherwise, I used to say in case of M and N, we should miss this. We should ignore this. So here hook is present. Actually, these kind of people are generally related with the educational background. They may be teacher, professor, research scholars, or related with the educational services. So how many of you are using type 5 of M and you are related with the education industry? Okay, any one of type 5 you are using, and are you related with education, counselor, teacher, professor or research? You can find out your trait. Now you are all from, you know, most of you have used 5 type of M, type 5th of M at least once. Okay, Anima, I can understand many times. Kusum, okay, I got only one disagreement, meaning we have few possibilities here, not to be the educational background, but most of agreed with this, meaning maximum possibility of the trait. Oh, Khushi, correct. Yes, Renu, correct. Now, type 6. Okay, Bhuvana. Oh, I'm so happy. We all are teachers here. Either teachers or research scholars. So, type 5 is considered a kind of good straw. And this hook is considered a positive hook. I told you now, in case of M, hook is not considered a negative. Okay. So, they belong to educational background. Okay. How many of you agree if you are using type 5th of M and you got more support from mother as compared to father? How many of you agree with this? If you are using any M of type 5 and you got more support from your mother and less support from your father, how many of you agree? Actually, those people who used to use 5th type of M, they generally get more support. Not always, okay, Rajni, not always, but generally they get more support from their mother or female partner, maybe wife. Most of you said yes. So one more thing. Okay, how many of you like reading in type 5th? If you are using type 5th of M, how many of you, okay, Archana, agree, possible, reading. This is the trait of reading habit also. If you are using type 5th of M, you might have reading habit. It may be newspaper reading, etc. How many of you love to read newspaper if you are using type 5th? If you are using type 5th. Okay. Okay, how many of you got support from your mother for creative art learning in your childhood or creativity? Because type 5th M is more related with mother. Mother will give you creativity. Okay, general books or newspaper possible. Not in childhood, but now very nice. So now you can check graphology is not just a thing that I said something, or so it is actually related with your life. And you can check many a time out of 100, if 10 are in the disagreement, there may be other traits, but 90 are agreed, meaning this trait is working. Okay, now check type. Okay, type 6 is McDonald's M. It is known as McDonald's M. Type 7M. How many of you are using type 7M? In the type 7, you are having pointed right thumb. Thank you, Susmita. So in type 7, you are using pointed right thumb. I'm very happy that most of you, 99% people are giving agreement here that this character is actually present. So you can work with your clients now. So if right hand side of M is having this upper point or sharp, so this is actually, you have very sharpness in your mind for your favorite subjects. And generally these people take faster decision. Okay, I agree, Rajni. Okay, Shushmita, okay. Okay, how many of you use type 8, meaning left side is having sharp point? Those people who are using type 8, they collect more information. and information collection they required less time, meaning कम time में ज़्यादा information collect करेंगे. They are able to collect more information in less time, but in decision making they can take more time. So this is the trait in case of A. Ninth type of M is 100% a negative M. So I have explained using a larger structure here. This Waverly kind of hook in the M is a highly negative trait. It is about jealous. It is all about the jealousy. So if you find this kind of trait in any kind of M written by any candidate, work on that. Please work on that. This is a very negative trait, type 9. And one should always avoid this type 9. Now tell me about P. Already we have discussed P, but we have to recall many different P's here. How many of you are using type 1P? Because you have written poor. 10 times you have written our management is very poor. So please check which kind of P you are using. And answer in chat box. Either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Which kind of P you are using? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Okay. So check. Those have first kind of P. It is non-simple P. They have good physical strength. Actually, P is related with power, stamina, physical strength, strength of emotions, strength to tolerate anxiety and stress. So P is related with your traumatic stress. If you have good stamina, good physical strength, meaning you can tolerate the situation. So if you have type 1 of P, so these people have good physical strength, but average stamina. They have good strength, they are bulky, they have good physical body, but generally they have average stamina. Okay, no hook is there, Mahua. Good. Type 2, check. Those people having type 2. So actually type 2 is more similar to type 1. And what is their specialty? These peoples are generous in nature. And the people will share resources without any expectation. ये वो होते हैं नेकी कर दरिया में डाल, दूसरे की भलाई का सोचने वाले. And they don't have any expectation generally from anyone. So this is a kind of good trait. First and second both are supposed to be good traits. How many of you are using type 3? Please. Okay, thank you, Meena. So if you are using type 3, check. These people are physically strong. And you know, lower loop is present here. Their fitness is good. They are actually physically active. They are more care taking about their physical body. They used to go gym, running or evening walk. They used to control their diet. Many things they control just to maintain good health. Type 3. They are stout people. They love generally driving like running and jogging. So how many of you agree if you are using type 3 of P and you are more aware about your health? You generally have control on your diet or love running, jogging? Yeah, okay, in between sentences. Yeah, sometimes. Okay, Ashish, you agree. Okay, Mawa also agree. Yes, Archana also agree. Yeah, sir, Moody also. Yes, Rashmita, yes, you are right. Moody also. Okay, type 4. So upper side I gave secondary V so that you can understand in this kind of P, upper side there is a gap and this gap resembles with the imaginary V. How many of you are using this type of P? If you have seen this kind of P in any client's writing, you have to avoid. It is a negative trait. They like to do arguments. They are generally very argumentative people. They have very high level of argumentation. So one should always avoid this kind of P. Is this clear? Now, How many of you use type fifth of P? Lower loop is open. Check. In fifth kind of P, lower loop is open. If lower loop is open, these people have one issue as their age will increase, their stamina and physical strength will decrease. This is the issue. Age wise, these people become very weak. And if you are using type 6 of P, they generally have health problem. They generally have muscular disorders or neurological problems, or they might have motor neuron coordination problem. So if someone is using type 6 of P, either muscular dystrophy, muscular issue, disease related to muscles, paralysis, or neuron system, nervous system may be there, nervous issues may be there, neurological problem, tingling, rumbling, trembling, these kind of issues may be there, or they might be having coordination problem, like if they will write, their hands will move like this. Okay, this kind of problem is observed in case of type 6. Now just tell me, I have written here 5-6 different type of P. How many of you are using first kind of P, either in capital or small letter? How many of you are using first kind of P? It can be used in capital as well as in small letter. Please tell me. If you are using this kind of P, that kind of P is not a good trait. Yes, Ashish have sent me something. I will explain here. This kind of P is not a good trait. The person will put useless physical effort. Useless physical effort unnecessarily. How many? If okay, can you tell me the difference between first and second P written by hand? Okay, Mithun, agreed. Can you differentiate between type 1 and type 2P, which is written by hand? Yes, Apurva. Line, yes, untouched and upper touching line, yes. Upper line is untouched, but upper line, but so vertical line is longer. It is supposed to touch upper part, but still it is not touching. So if you have this kind of P, these peoples are generally related with marketing field, or they have to present many things in front of many peoples. If you are using third type of P, they have generally health related issues. If you are using last kind of P, they have creativity and jealousy in their mind. They have creativity and jealousy in their mind. Ashish or someone else sent me a different kind of P, which is excellently different. So I am going to post in the group so that you can understand this kind of P also. This P is having two hooks. Please check in the Graphology level 7 WhatsApp group. I have posted something. If you are using this kind of P, these people may have stress related issues. They may be overburdened, or they may be suppressed by their seniors, or their seniors may be creating trouble to them. So this kind of P is observed though in those people who are working under stress, or those who are overburdened with work. Is this clear? Yeah. What do you suggest in which a person have a right side bending writing? Ma'am, if right side bending, you know, once we have studied slant, right side bending up to 15-20 degree, that is good. But if more slant is there, it is a negative trait. Maybe criminal nature, many traits. So I think in the level 5 or level 4, I have discussed different types of slant, and I have circulated that material also. So you can check the slant and traits are given there. Now remember, J, any kind of J for jealous, okay, J for just, any kind of J have no impact on personality. So whenever you are working on handwriting, so just for psychological analysis, no need to check structure of J. If you want to check whose handwriting is this, only then you need to check the shape and structure of the J. Otherwise, J is not required in graphotherapy. Is this clear? J is not required in graphotherapy. Okay, all kind of the screenshots you have sent me on WhatsApp. Just after workshop, I will post all the answers. R is very, very important. No, nothing is specific for J. Actually, in the structure of J, all the traits are already concentrated in the structure of Y, in the structure of T, in the structure of F, and in the structure of G. So J is not having any specific impact. So type 1R, these peoples are skilled with tools. They are generally engineer or any other people who need to use any kind of physical tool, knife, screw or anything. Okay, Sangeeta got it. So those peoples generally use first kind of R. They are skilled to use instruments. So how many of you are agree with the type 1R that you are skilled to use some kind of instrument, brushes or knife, blades, or you can say screw, or you have interest in engineering field or engineering work or electric work? Yes, got it. They understand things when done practically or with hand. They don't love to understand things theoretically. How many of you are having this nature? If you are using type 1R, that you generally, yes, for what? Type 1R, they love to understand things by practicals, not by listening. Okay, Ronak agreed, Anima agreed. So they are actually practical learner. Okay, thank you. Most of you are agreed. They have proficiency in tools and good mechanical knowledge. So how many of you have good mechanical knowledge of any type? Household. Okay, Rajni, I got it. So household and mechanical or any kind of, okay. So it is not necessary that all trades should be there, but most of trades should be there. Type 2. Okay, many of you are agreed. I'm happy. Type 2R, check it. Actually, these kind of the peoples who were earlier skilled to use many kind of tools, but these days they have left that work. How many of you agree? Oh, Sangeeta, you are agreed. Okay, so how many of you agree if you are using type 2? Earlier you were skilled to use many tools, but now you left that work. No one is there. Type 3 of R, is there anyone who is using type 3 of R? Generally retired people use type 2R. Now type 3, these people use intelligence for allocation of work, meaning when work is distributed in the team or office, they use their knowledge to get that work. Yeah, in cursive writing you can see type 3 of R. You are right. These are those people who have not used any tool, but they are ready to work with the tools. Type 4, if any, yes, not sure, but I think it is Einstein's R. Yes, Aarti, you are right. Now, type 4 of R. How many of you are using? These are extremely mechanical people. घर में कोई सामान टूटा नहीं, उसको ठीक करने बैठ जाएंगे. If there is electrical short circuit, they will always get some wires. They can repair anything at home. They can repair anything in kitchen, in furniture, everything. So these kind of the peoples, type 4, they are mechanical oriented, and generally this kind of R is, yeah, Greek pipe. This kind of R, type 4, is found is Japanese and Chinese people, because generally they are highly skilled with the technology. So if you are highly skilled with the technology, yes, cursive R, you are right, Rajni, agreed. So type 4 of R is extremely used by highly trained peoples only, or extremely mechanical people. Type 5th of R, generally found in cursive writing. These are lazy in creativity and constructivity. Yes, brainy Japanese, yes, Ajira. So type fifth of R, they have good knowledge and creativity, but they are lazy. Is there anyone who is using type fifth of R? No one. In type sixth of R, who is using? I think many of you might be using many times. Type six, any one of type six. Type six having two types of R. Is there anyone who is using? Yes, many of you are using type 6. This is non-simple R. So this is non-creative R also. They are good learner. They have good creativity. They have hope in the life. They are actually optimistic people. They love to be positive in the life. If you are using any one R given in the sixth type, they are more creative. They may be good fashion designer, or they love actually makeup, even dressing sense, everything will be good in their nature. So how many of you agree with the type 6? You may be architect, they are good decorator at home. ये अपने घर को इतना खूबसूरती से सजाएंगे, इतना अच्छा मेकअप करेंगे, इतने अच्छे से ड्रेस कॉम्बिनेशन, कलर कॉम्बिनेशंस will be there. Yes, Shalini, you can check how to conduct these kind of research. So when we have started our first workshop 8th June, so I have disclosed here a report of brain structure. So actually different kind of brain structures have impact on handwriting. So here we are going to study reverse. We are studying reverse thing, handwriting impact on brain. Got it? And now you can check in the chat box how many people are agreed. So, graphology is a well-established science, not just common exemption or astrological. In first workshop, I have presented my own brain's report here. And I explained all part of the brain structure, how these impact our nature and pattern of writing. Okay, type 7 of R. It looks a little bit like F. Type 7 of R. It looks, okay, Shalini. It looks, yeah, which is the best R to use? Udit, depends on your work style. In which field you are working? Mechanical field, creative field, beauty work, decoration work. Then you have to select the R. Okay, so how many of you are using type 7 of R? It resembles with incomplete F. Check. Type 7 of R can be converted easily into F. Is there anyone using this? Yeah, sometime in cursive. Yes, possible. Yes. Yeah, type 7. If upper loop will be created, it will become F. Yes, yes, you are right. Upside right, upper side. Okay, so these are creative people, but they are not able to express their creativity. They generally feel guilt or very bad things about their creativity. Suppose they have created something and someone will come and they will taunt just to find out a minor mistake. So these people will feel very too much guilty that we are not able to make good creativity. But actually they are good creator, but they are not able to express their creativity. This is the problem. So you need to work on that if you are using this. For behavior modification technique, which type of R is prescribed as best by graphologists? You know, Rohan, when a client is in front of you, first you will ask what is the profession of the client. So according to profession of the client, you have to select alphabets. Generally, I prefer type 6R. I prefer type 6R. Okay, rest depends on profession also, because type 6R is related with the sense of understanding, decoration, color matching, meaning combination or matchmaker of anything. Okay, that's why we have to select alphabet according to the profession of personality or problems of the personality. In sentence which had given, I use combination of 1 and 6. Does it mean yes? If you are using combination, you have both the characters or traits in your personality. You are right, Pradeep. How many of you are using type 8 of R? I have seen this type of 8 of R in many people. they have good learning in creativity field. Yeah, sometimes for style I feel that it is stylish mostly at the end of sentence, it type. Okay, not stylish, it is actually general behavior. The thing which is in our mind will be expressed by our behavior only. Okay, so remember here, if you are using type A, these people are opportunistic about career and generally creative career. They may be art and craft teachers, which are should be used by graphologists. Better to use always 6 type. A graphologist should be highly creative, or a counselor should be creative. So better to use type 6. How many of you are using type 9? Please, it is extremely important. It resembles with the music tone. Those people who, okay, how many of you are using type 9 and you are music lover, or you play any instrument, or you love singing? How many of you are using type 9 and the same time either you used to play an instrument, tabla, dholak, flute, etc., and you love singing, etc.? Is there anyone? So actually type 9 is known as musicians are. Okay, these kind of people generally used to have a nature of having few things in their mind. Is there anyone who used to have this habit of humming something? कुछ गुनगुनाते रहने की आदत होती है? Okay, no one is using this kind of art. Okay, so check type 1. This is these people have appropriate analytical behavior. They have appropriate analytical nature. Okay, they are actually good analyst in their behavior. If you will give them any condition, they will analyze the situation with greater excellence. That is their natural behavior. So how many of you agree with this? You have good analytical behavior. Thank you. Many of you are agreed. Type 2U, check. Type 2U, how many of you are using? Minor variation may be there in the structure, so check it. Thank you, Sangeeta. Thank you, Harpreet. These people having type 2U are a kind of confused person. If your U resemble with a little bit N, so you have a kind of confusion in your mind, and their analytical approach is not clear actually. Okay, Rashmita, you agree. So actually problem is that their analytical approach is not clear. Actually, this is not clear what to analyze. This is the problem with these peoples. So whenever you have this kind of nature, work on this U and try to keep first kind of U. Generally, they look for many opinions before analyzing anything. If these people are working in the lab, in place of taking decision, they will ask many people about their opinion. Okay, now my handwritten type 1U. How many of you are using? Type 1, it is little bit cursive U. Type 1U, which I have written by hand. They have knowledge and good qualifications. If you are using second type of U written by hand, they always give their own examples. They are a kind of speaker people, motivator. They used to say, I did this, I did this, I did this. They will never say that you should have this, you should do this. They will give their own example always. And how many of you have third type of U written by hand? Is there anyone using third type of U? Okay, second type and first type. Then these people always talk hyper about their work. They will sound much as compared to their original work, meaning their work is smaller and they speak too high. ये बड़ा चढ़ा करके बात करेंगे. Have hyperbolic nature. They generally have hyperbolic nature. गप्पे मारना, फेंकने वाले लोग होते हैं generally. These people are not honest people. They are just willing to impress someone, but everyone knows they are fake people. Yeah, बड़ी बड़ी बातें बनाते हैं. You are right, Apurva. Now work on V. How many of you use type 1 or type 2 V? Please tell me. Type 1 or type 2 V? Please tell me. Type 2, okay. Type 2. Type 2, okay. Most of you agreed with type 2. Yeah, cursive loop is observed in type 1. So if you are having type 1 V, this kind of V resemble with U. And many times other people may be confused whether you have written V or you have written U. Okay, so these people have very low analytical abilities, very lesser analytical abilities. But if you are using normal V, type 2 V, they have good analytical mind, mechanical oriented. For everything, first they will analyze all pros and cons, only then they are ready to accept. Good executive behavior, they are good manager or good leaders. Type 2. So type 2 of W, right side is having a height. So these kind of people they have actually influence of women is more in their life. Like you may be influenced by mother. Okay, in capital you are using 6-1. Okay, so if you are using second type of W, meaning you are influenced by women, maybe influenced by mother, influenced by sister, influenced by daughter or wife, etc. Okay, I will go slow. So if you are using type 2, you are generally impressed by your mother. Okay, influence of mother in childhood is more, in young age is a little lesser. Okay, if stroke is found in female's handwriting, then you are influenced by husband. So how many of you agree with this trait? If this type 2 W is in the handwriting of the male, you are impressed by female. If this is found in the handwriting of female, you are impressed by husband or lady teacher. Yes, you are right. In type 3 of W, actually it is having traits of second type, but generally they have more help and support of women. Those people who use type 3 of W, they are influenced by female and they need more help from their female partner, maybe mother, sister, wife, or female teacher. If you have type 4th of W, so you can check there is a upper line in type 4th of W. Yes, Vedibil, I will talk about this also. So type 4 of W is matching with the W given by Mr. Vedibil. Okay, but it is more close to type 5. So I'm talking about type 4. It is non-covering W. Check it again. Type 4. Upper part of this W is covering. So these kind of people have covering aspect related to women, meaning they can keep the secret of a woman. If generally this trait is found in the handwriting of female. Okay, so these kind of females can hide many things. Okay, she does wrong as a woman, but she is able to hide the issues. Generally, this kind of trait is found in the handwriting of male or female having extramarital affair. Please check it, type 4. So if you are a family counselor or you are giving family counseling or family therapy, you should look this kind of W. It is very important. Type 5 of W. It is a kind of D. Please check. Type 5 of W. This kind of W is found in those people who are involved in relationship that the person want to hide. Okay, but in case if you are confused whether they have hidden relationship, so please check slant A, O, K, D and close. So don't judge directly if someone is having similar to D and you will decide, okay, they have some hidden relationship. Please look for the structure of A, O, K and D. What I have observed in my practice, when I try to force my client through therapy to make change in their writing, I have not disclosed what is the meaning of this writing. I just made change. Made them practice to work on different views. So I observed many positive changes. And after those positive changes, I started working as a graphotherapist. And you know, in Western countries like USA, you can find out a graphotherapist in most of schools. In most of schools in USA, you can find out graphotherapist because they don't want to create any negative point inside the mind of any student. So graphotherapy is more widely used in USA. In Western, or you can say developed countries. So it is well established fact that you can make change in the behavior through graphotherapy. Now, so if you are using type 6 of D, okay, Rajni, I will repeat. Let me complete. Okay, thank you, Sangeeta. Let me complete this W, then I will repeat V. Okay. So I'm talking about different types of Ws. Type 1, healthy approach towards women. Type 2 of W, meaning you are more influenced by females. Okay. If you are using type 3 of W, you are more influenced by females, but you are taking more help from female, maybe wife, friend, girlfriend, mother, sister, or anyone. If you have type 4 of W, you have hidden relationship, extramarital affair. So many things are found. Yes, Midun, I agree with this. Yes, Dr. Harpreet, when people use this kind of combination, you look for type 5th of D, because L and U when added looks like D, similar to D. So type 5th of D, I explained here, if you are having type 5th of D, generally you are having DW formation. So these are involved in relationship, but they want to hide the relationship. Yeah. What if no? In case of W, loop is having no meaning. Many people have lower loop in the writing D. So no issue about that. Okay, Pradeep? Sometimes W turns towards right. What is the mean? I couldn't get your question, Bhavana. Can you send me a written alphabet using pick? Then I can tell. There is no meaning of any loop. Okay, Pradeep? Here in case of W. If you have type 6 of W, check. It is printed W. So if you are having type 6, they have good analytical approach towards women. If they will come in contact with any women, they will talk all pros and cons, positive and negative facts. Like they will have analytical nature, like daughter should not use high budget accessories. This kind of biased decision they may have in their mind. Now talking about X. X signifies adaptability of a person. How adaptable you are. How much you can change yourself according to situation. How much you can change yourself according to situation, that is important. So how many of you are using type 1 or type 2X, please? If you have type 1X, fluency and flexibility and high adaptability. If W is used by women, they can have the similar trait for men. Okay. So type 1X, fluency, flexibility, adaptability, and type 2X, they are very rigid people, less adaptable. They don't say yes to anything easily or immediately. Before saying yes, before making any promise, they will think properly. So how many of you have this nature in type 2? Yeah, type 1 can be without loop, no issue. You can check, we are looking for right hand side of W. You know, Generally, left hand side of W is constant. Got my answer? So we are looking for especially right hand side of W. Now we are talking about X again. So if you are having type 2X, less adaptable, you will not make promise easily. We are talking about Y. Already we have studied Y, loner Y, etc. So we are not talking about Y now. Alphabet Z. How many of you are using type 1 or type 2 Z? If you are using type 1, you might be conservative and conventional. You might be conservative. पुराने विचार वाला थोड़ा सा, आधुनिक modern thinking is very less. So this kind, if you have both traits, you have both behavior. According to situation, sometimes you are having a modern thinking, sometimes you have your old thinking, conservative behavior. If you have second type of Z, then you are action oriented. Yes, attached with tradition, Khushi. Okay, agreed. Yes, Padma, both meaning both trait. Generally, we use these two kinds of Zs. Action oriented, understanding things when done practically. So, you know, so I gave you few samples of alphabet and you should check especially these alphabets. Already we have. So if you are having a cursive writing, so your alphabets will turn like this. I have given regular alphabet as well as cursive alphabet. Now just matching your alphabet here, what can you do? You can use graphotherapy for cursive writing. So cursive A, cursive B, C, D, everything is given here.